Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the default browser on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone, scroll down the settings to Apps and tap on it. Tap Choose Default Apps at the top of the Apps settings. Tap Browser App and then choose the browser that you would like to be your default. You can also choose your default browser for work at the bottom. If you don't have the Choose Default Apps option at the top of the Apps settings, then scroll down the apps to the app that you would like to make your default browser. Tap on the app to open the settings and then tap on Browser App under Defaults and set it to your preferred browser. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.